Lesson 2. Punctuality. Doing a job at its fixed time is called punctuality. We have to do many jobs every day. For example, to bring milk from the dairy in the morning, to go to school, to play, to watch TV, to do shopping, eating and sleeping. Similarly, we have to do some jobs weekly and some monthly. For example, to revise and prepare for a weekly or monthly test, to cut the nails weekly and get hair cut monthly. A job takes its own time. We cannot finish 1 hour's job in 10 minutes only. Likely it is foolish to spend 1 hour for 10 minutes job. We should make a timetable for all the jobs to be done. We should assign a fixed time for all the important jobs. For example, to rise at 6 a.m. Get brushed at 6:05 a.m. Go to toilet at 6:15 a.m. Bath at 6:40 a.m. Take breakfast at 7 a.m. Start for the school at 7:30 a.m. and reach your school at 8 a.m. If we do things in time, we do them without haste or hurry. We do them well. We don't miss them. If we do not do the things in time, we try to do them in hurry. Then we make mistakes and do the things by halves. We miss important things. A student who rises early does everything well. He remains punctual at everything. A student who gets up late has little time at his disposal. He gets ready hurriedly. Then he misses many things. For example, he cannot check for his buttons or shoelaces. He cannot enjoy his toast. He just puts it in his mouth and drinks milk to pass it through the throat. He is often late for his school. Some children rise up early because their parents force them to get. Brothers and sisters. They complain of their books, pens, or clothes missing. They cry and refuse to go to the school. Somehow, their parents search out their things. If they themselves keep their things organized, how can they miss them? Organizing things well is the base of punctuality. It means to keep them at their fixed places or time. A late student misses the morning assembly. He misses all the important announcements. Sometimes he is punished by the principal. Late coming is marked in his diary. A latecomer is not welcome in his office or factory. He is marked late in the attendance register. Therefore, one should get up early, work in time and take rest in time. Do one thing at a time and do it well. Make a timetable for your daily work and follow it. A habitual latecomer misses many important lessons. He loses self-confidence and becomes backward in the class. His friends do not respect him. Now, he cannot help his friends in their problems but to depend upon them. A latecomer is never welcome anywhere. When friends play a game or give a stage show, they always have to wait for the latecomer. They get fed up. Soon, they begin to say that it is wasting of time to wait for him. They stop asking him to come along with them. None can depend on a person who is not punctual. A punctual person is always ready in time. He is liked and welcomed by all. None has to wait upon him and waste his time. Everybody likes to take him along with. People feel happy in the company of a punctual person. They praise him for his punctuality. You can correct time in your watch when he arrives. The wise people of all time have warned for the waste of time in these sayings. Time and tide wait for none. Time once lost cannot be recalled. To act swiftly and in time is the key of punctuality. We should be punctual in doing everything. New words. Punctuality. Doing everything at its fixed time. Job. Work. Revise. Read again. Finish. Complete. To assign. To allot some work or duty. At his disposal. With him. While away. Waste. Organize. To keep things in order. Announce. To tell about something. Praise. To speak highly of. To give honor. Swiftly. Speedily. Exercise. A.